Kani gadega patisi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Henne kasngi kasantarek ubnai leber. Kawai ni ke hospital jong ka sarkar preng ka bahe hakani ka than chate lamingi. Haka jo ka por ka balongru ka jaka pulia jong ki doctor bakinas. Kata North East Indira Gandhi Regional Institute of Health and Sciences Neigrihms kalayo ban pelong ya ka Convocation ka bapra ni ka jelang pen ko buram bat sam certificate syaki Samla ka belapendap ya ka jing pulia nakani ka jaka pulia. Hakani ka jelang la sakhilang ru da baro kino hikai ba ki doctor kumjo ki nurse jong kani ka hospital. Bat ki Samla ki belapendap ya ka jing pulia nakani ka jaka pulia. Hakani ka Convocation ka bapra jong ka Neigrihms la idon rangkat ru u director jong ka Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Postgraduate Medical Education and Research na Puducherry u Professor S.C. Pareja u beralong kongsan hakajelang. Kaba u Professor C. Adithan u lalong kumsembot kongsan. Hakani jelang la sam certificate seborok kitu ke balapendap ya kejing pulih Mbbs. Bat hadin kani pak lapan bot sa kejing syat bat kejing ruai hagi sortan rai jong kijat benre beper ki ba nakani keri India.
The need of time is to inculcate the ethics in all aspects of the profession. Any profession, when it crosses the boundary of ethics, it has to suffer the damages. Hence, more than your skills, try to be honest in delivery of your services. If you follow your ethics, you will be a figure known in the society because you are following ethics. Ethics which you guide to serve the populations, no regard of money or other things. Serve the populations with your knowledge you have gained. That ethics should be inculcated by you during your professional careers. Another more thing is honesty. Honesty is a rare treasure, but it takes you to topmost position if you sincerely believe in it. Hence, be honest to your professional service. Rest will follow you automatically. Don't worry and get pains for minting money, acquiring power, etc. Because if you want to earn money, if you want to have power, this doctor profession is not the right profession. Doctor's profession is the right to serve the populations, not to earn money and matter. That you must be very careful.
Dr. Jonathan Lee, Dr. Convocation Marina, Dr. Kaushik Sendukar, Dr. Ram Gita, Dr. Mercy Neigrihms, Monica and Haka, Dr. Nancy Nehru, Dr. Nirvana Thanjan, Dr. Nunello Nakru, Dr. Nancy Fabian Kaba, Dr. Sheikh Farid Chisti, Dr. Thanjamu, Dr. Uchatarira and Samla, Dr. Lalbek, Dr. Inspan and Mary, Dr. Vikramjit Singh, and Dr. Panj